Hello, this is Brian from Yoga Hub, and here's a little tip for just getting a little bit more out of your side bends in your yoga practice. So when we do side bends, we're generally stretching the side of our body, as the name suggests. And one of the muscles we have the potential to stretch is our lats. Our lats are a big muscle which begin down at our pelvis and actually run all the way up to sort of like the top part of your arm, more or less. And when your lats contract, they pull your arms downwards. So if you go to the gym, you might be familiar with like a lat pull down to engage your lats. How you stretch your lats is basically the opposite. You lift your shoulder upwards. So in a pose like a side bend, if your arm is up and overhead, a way that you can more effectively stretch these muscles is by consciously lifting your shoulder up towards your ears to begin to stretch out these muscles at the side of your body. And then you take it a little bit further by reaching up and over to one side. We hear a lot in yoga about pulling our shoulders down and back and all this sort of stuff. Not that it's a terrible thing to do, but if you actually allow your shoulders to lift, you're going to get a much more effective stretch into this side of your body, which can help with releasing tension from your back. It can help with freeing up space for your breathing. And also just being able to lift your arm overhead is a really important skill. Like, you want to be able to reach things off the top shelf, and shoulder elevation is part of that. So yeah, little tip you might try next time you're doing your side bends, just to get that little bit extra from them.